Okay, so when you first get your massage gun, you're going to notice that there's several different attachments that it comes with. You've got a round one, usually a flat one, this little pronged one, and then this little pointy one. These different attachments are used for different things. The round one and the flat one I find are a good place to start with, just because they're going to be less intense feeling if you're really sore, really tender. I would start with the flat one or the round one because it's going to give you a little less of that deep tissue massage and be a little bit better for just general relaxation. So whichever one you choose, the pointy one is usually for like sustained trigger point release. So if you've got a really flared up knot in your muscle, that's a good place to use that. This pronged one is good for areas like maybe closer to a joint to get on either side of a muscle. So around the knee, maybe like down here on the leg, that's a good place for that. Sometimes on the back as well, or maybe even the shoulder. But I'm going to start with this round attachment here for my awesome participant, Mackenzie. So you're just going to turn it on. They usually just have an off-on switch, and then you choose the intensity. I'm just going to start with the lowest one, and then you can just jump right in. So good areas to use your massage gun are on large muscle groups. So the thigh, the leg, sometimes your back. You just have to be careful of where you're doing it on your back. You don't want to get it like really on your ribs or like on your spine. It's best for the low back region. And then you want to avoid bony areas. So if you get kind of on the bone, it's going to like do this little bouncy. It's not going to feel very good. So you want to keep it right on the muscle, and just honestly, whatever feels best for you. You want to watch your pressure. You don't want to use too much pressure because it gets to be really uncomfortable, like a really deep tissue massage. But if that's what you're going for, go ahead. So you can go side to side, really any way that you feel. And then once you kind of get comfortable with this intensity, you can increase the intensity. What this is going to do is it's going to help decrease muscle tightness, tenderness, and soreness. So after a good workout, some people like to foam roll. You can use the massage gun to decrease the amount of soreness you have after a workout, recovery after running long distances, things like that. So anytime you want to use it, really you can. It doesn't really matter. You just want to limit your time because you don't want to make your soreness worse. So 5 to 10 minutes is generally a good starting place. See how you do with that. Give it about a day, and then you can go ahead and do another session.